I've owned my truck now for 10 days, and Ford already had a huge crash if you haven't had this problem yet. So last night, they pushed through the first over-the-air update, which was, bear with me while I'm checking, 4.1.1, update successful. So what I noticed this morning when I picked up my phone to check the charging status, it said 55% charged. However, I have my charge settings set for 85%. So I was like, what in the world? My truck didn't charge overnight. I have a busy day. What the heck's going to happen? This is not good. So little did I find out that the app, Ford Pass app, stopped syncing with the truck after the update went through. So if you can see this, it says there's 55% battery left, 106 miles. And this was last updated 22 hours ago. So if you can see on my truck here, 168 mile range, 79% battery. So the two are no longer talking. This also means that you can't unlock or lock the doors from the app. You can't start your truck. You can't check the charging status. The app has basically stopped communicating with the truck. I spent about 35 minutes on the phone with Ford today. The people were extremely nice, very helpful, and after being transferred to 4 different people, they told me that this is now a known issue with 22 and 23 Ford Lightnings, that the app stopped communicating with the truck, and they're trying to fix the issue and will push out an update sometime in February. So today is January 25th. I don't know if that means the first week of February, the end of February, a month from now, but you're essentially dead in the water with a brand new truck that has an app that's supposed to be fully connected and doesn't work. So Ford, this is awesome. I would hope you get this resolved soon, and I'll continue to update as I find out more information.